filter. So we've got a filter on city, which is 012. So on the second one, that's street. Where's filters at? This one, and you guys have doing implementation, but it's been a while since you guys have done that. Yeah. This issue looks really awesome. You started it 3 years ago. Yeah, great. Let's fix that. Main scene. There we go. Now you can see me. Alright, is that better? Alright, so back to this. Data grid enhanced filtering. So, what functions are available? There's a query list and a list of changes. The first, the last, and the columns. Got 15 columns, is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then the name is 15. Okay. So there's a filters provider. Let's go look at the filters provider. register a filter and return a deregistration function. That sounds about right. Okay, so this is a filter provider. I wonder if, do we have a filter provider? For, not the columns, but the iterator organizer. So you have a filter provider for the individual column. Back to this. So there's a column service, a custom filter, a filters provider, an items provider, a state provider. Your state provider has all the filters. Okay, so do you have a state provider? There's your state provider. There's your filters. There's all your filters. The last name. There's the address. This should be city. Street. City. There's your lowercase raw value. So your filter function has a raw value. But those are kind of hidden, aren't they? So our data grid here. Let's see here on NGINIT. We need it on NGINIT. This data grid is CLR data grid. And of course you don't like that because I'm actually going through and mucking with your private data. So I'll give you a break here. I'm not gonna muck with your private data anymore. And then I'm looking for state provider. Alright, your data grid has a list of items, has a detail service, a row action service, a selection, expandable row count, an iterator, we also have a list of columns. So let's look at the first column. Query list, column data any. Okay. On a modify all lists of items that Angular keeps up to date when the state of the application changes. Okay, query list. Data grid column of type T. Data grid column. Common strings. Sorted. Custom filter. Filter value. Set filter value. You also have a filter provider here, don't you? I guess we poke around some more. Okay. You look at your columns, your display mode, your expandable rows, your items, filters, all filters. Okay, so if we get all the filters for something, okay, you're not gonna like me once again. I'm gonna look in the. So. Already have all the filters on the page, so that's a circular reference. So instead of going into all the columns, I could go into the state provider, go into all the filters, and look at all. So okay, let's see what you have for me now. And actually, I should probably put this. No, there's fine. And you're optimizing a building. Okay. And away we go. Say hi if anyone's online. Okay, filter of Meridian. And there's our 15 registered filters. There's number 3. Here's the filter. The prop is city. The value is Meridian. And we have an unregistered function. So if someone wanted to unregister the filter, do they just call that dot unregister? They click that. It doesn't look like it's too difficult. You just have to keep the integer count there. What do we know about this one? Let's look at the member count filter. Oh yeah, of course. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's add the filter change event to members. So the filter value change member count. Let's just do that. It's members, and the label is member count. Okay, so back to this. You don't like that. Okay. Okay, there we go. Load everything up. Now let's change the member count from 0 to 1. And you didn't reload it. Filter change didn't trigger. Let's try city again. Okay. Oh, I bet you it's because it's a custom filter change. Okay, so back to this lovely. Your data grid columns has a custom filter change. And your outputs. I bet you if I look at filters. Our number filter here. And this. Oh yeah, I bet you I just have to put a CL or filter value there on the numeric filter. Yeah. Yep. There's a data group filter. Okay. So let's take you off of this. Let's put you on our numeric filter here. And recompile. Okay. Do we want some sort of debounce? value, which is the event. Filters really needs to be an object, a key. Filters field equals. Field label value event. And then the label really should be, if I pass in an array, get filter label. I'm going to pass in a label and a value of any. A label and a string and value of any. Return a string. Return label for now. If length is greater than 1, then return val sub 0 label. Else 1. Else return just the label. Index. How do we get the index? So this would be this dot data grid dot, what did I call it before? State service dot filters dot all. state provider. Filters underscore all and find index. Okay, that should do it. Let me let it build. Alright, members. Index of -1. Okay. Okay, so we went to the state provider, to the filters, all the filters, and then we said in this array, find me the filter function, and the prop. Okay, try that again. Huh. All these other ones don't have a prop. Okay, so let's look at those. So this function, if val sub 0 equals null, then we need to return. Else if val sub 1 equals null, then we need to return. Alright. Anybody there? Anybody want to talk? Just want to say hi. Let's check. Everybody's online. Let's view the Facebook of it. Anybody saying hi? No one's saying hi. It's cool. Okay. Alright, once more, let's try this out. Member count is greater than 1. Or it's less than 6. There you go. Okay. Now. In the data table component right here, let's iterate over this button. Filters all sub index dot unregister. Let's hope this does what it's supposed to do. Okay. Okay, yeah. Sure, yeah, of course you can. So this is going to be filter dot value. All right, let's try that. City is MTE. No, I can't. Okay, it's because you think he has a length. Okay. filters going on. Now we also need to turn on the filters label only when. So let's get rid of some of the console logs here. Okay. Alright, let's watch this. Ah, something's not right. You guys aren't seeing my... Where'd my hotkey go? There you go. I need to turn off that hotkey. Okay, so 0 to 1. Okay, where did it go now? Okay. If it's not empty, show it. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so 0 to 1. And there it goes, reloading. Okay. To 1, and city is Meridian. Yeah, I like that. Except I want city is Meridian to be in quotes. There you go. Ta-da! And then the remove filter, we gotta delete. This filters subfield. And unrush, let's see if that works. The other thing I have to do is if they change the filter to be nothing, I then have to drop the filter too. There you go. City is Meridian. it's changing the filter globally. It's just not changing. It's changing it kind of globally. It's not changing it in that state. How are we gonna do this? It's gotta be a filter field somewhere in the data column header. So let's look at data grid. It would be data column, toggle, detail, data grid filter. Okay, there's our anchor. So there's our button. Okay, check. Here's the filter, here's the pop-up ID, the focus, the close button, and then the content. Okay, this content's going to depend upon what kind of type the filter is, right? So let's find this used someplace in the template. Color filter. My filter. Okay, so if we come look at it, there's the numeric filter. So let's look at the numeric filter. So show me the numeric filter. Check your input. You have your low, you have your high, and it's changing the NG model of low and high. And the other. What service are you interfacing with to tell them about the changes? There's the filters. That's private. You're passing that to the data grid filters registrar. You're calling server anywhere else? No. Your set filter. How does that get called? This does set filter. Alright, let's go to data grid registrar. Data grid filter registrar. That's the utils data grid filter registrar. Huh. So you're setting the filter, it's a registered filter or it's a custom filter. If it's a registered filter, it's just register done. If it's not, you register it and then add it. This dot filters. What is this dot filters? That's your filters provider. I'm about to just take a dependency on the filter provider. provider. Alright, we'll rip you out then. There's your filters. Great, I don't have to go through all the trouble now. When the filter changes, it'll give me the event. Yeah, the list of active filters. And we can go through the filter function, changes. I wonder if this has to change as a rate too. Okay, let's do that for changes. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's because it's the class hierarchy. It shows it as proto in the debug tools. Okay. Back to this being implementing on it. This is gonna be minutes to go. function. It's a... So close, 4 minutes, almost there. All right. I hear kids outside the door. We're about to break in. Yeah, come here. Yeah, I got about 5 more minutes left. What's that? Yeah. Do you want me to stop the filming? Okay, looks like I'm shutting off early. Thanks everyone who watched.